Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could do the Animoji for both iOS and Android users. And this is gonna be the part 2 of the Animoji tutorial that I made earlier, which is like from a month ago, I think. But anyways guys, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then here's an example right now. Animoji thingy-majiggy looks like, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you could make one as well. And if you guys watched that first tutorial that I made about Animoji, you guys know that it only works for iPhone X and above, which is like iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, and so on. And for Android, only Samsung S9 has them, so same. But anyways, for this video, I found a way that you could actually do Animoji for iPhones slower than iPhone X and also for iPads and iPods. So if you have them, then keep watching. Same thing for my Android users. If you don't have a Samsung S9 or anything like that, then this one should work for you. By the way, before I show you guys the trick, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe we'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on post notifications and being so amazing as always. And now let's get on with the video. So we're gonna be starting off with my iOS user. So if you're an iOS user right now and you're watching me, then hello to you. It is time for you to learn the trick right now. And for my Android users, I'm gonna be teaching you guys as well after I'm done with my iOS users. So keep watching for that one. Just to show you guys that this actually works for iPhones below iPhone X or something like that, I'm gonna be using the iPhone SE right here. Like, say hello to this small bean right here inside of my hand, like hello calling me. Anyways, yes, I'm gonna be using my iPhone SE right here, so let's go ahead and show you guys the trick. So right now we're gonna be installing an app, and the app is called Kwai, like not Kawaii, it's called Kwai. And the app should look like this, and I'm gonna be leaving a link down in the description for you guys to click on so you could download the app as well. And once you have that, let's jump into the app and let's see what we have here. Okay, so once you open the Kwai app and you sign up, and then you just like, you know, like get started, I guess. What you're gonna do now is that you're gonna be clicking on the video option, which is at the bottom middle of the screen. And when you click on that one, it's gonna show you this one right here, like, you know, nice skin right now. So once you get into this page, the next thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna be clicking on the smiley face, which is this one right here. So let's click on that. And as you can see here, there is so much already that you could choose from. Like, it is so obvious already. You could see that there's so many choices. But there's one where you want to look like this cartoon thing magic right here, like, what? And my eyes are not really that big, and as you can see here, it is saying that my eyes are closing, it is open. So yeah, just make sure that you open your eyes really wide. But yeah, as you can see here guys, that it is actually working fine, like really good right now, me like. But the thing about this one is that if you stick your tongue out, like nothing's gonna happen. It's just like opening like or something like that, you know. No tongue right now, but maybe in the future they might add a tongue. I don't know, we'll find out soon. What this boy looked like? Yes, I look like a good boy or something. If you're planning to make a TikTok using this app, if you want to use an audio, then what you could do is that you could use another device and play the audio from there, and you could just be like, you know, lip syncing like, what's up honey, look at me now doing a TikTok. And just like that, you could make your very own Animoji, which is amazing. Same thing for the girls right here. If you a lady or you're a missy, you could choose the girl one. Be like, you know, I'm about to teach you a lesson. Yes. How about me right now? Very nice. For this one as well, you could make your very own TikTok. I like me better when I want then it's a slow-mo. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing honestly, but yeah, that is really cool. It actually works, and this is an iPhone SE guys, not an iPhone X or anything like that, but like, you know, it works. And then you should try it on, you know. If you don't have an iPhone X or above, try this app on, and maybe you'll be like, ooh, shook right now, I could do Animoji like secret right now. And also, if you're gonna make your very own Animoji thingy-majiggy, then be sure to put in the hashtag SkySpam so I could watch them and maybe like some of you guys' posts as well. But yeah, that is just a quick little tip that I have for you guys as an update update for my Animoji tutorial on the first one. So if you don't have an iPhone X but you still have an iPhone, iPod, or iPad, then try this app on and try the Animoji that they have here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much what you could do if you don't have an iPhone X or above to use an Animoji. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at LifeWithErick, and I will see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye. Hello, time for my Android users. And now we're gonna be moving on to my Android users right now. So if you're an Android user and you're watching me right now, then hello to you. It is time for you to learn the trick as well. So if you're ready and you want to do this Animoji thingy-majiggy, the first thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna be downloading the app, and the app is called Kwai. No, it's not Kawaii, it is Kwai. So this is the app right here. It is called Kwai Video Social Network. So you're gonna be downloading this, and I'm gonna be putting a link down in the description for you guys to click on so you could download the app as well. So once you have the app ready, then the next thing that you're gonna do is just open it right now. And once you log into your account or like sign up or something like that, it should take you to this page right here. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be clicking on the video option, which is either at the top right of your screen or it's at the bottom middle of your screen. And for me, it's gonna be at the top right of my screen, so just click on that. And as you can see here, you can see myself like hello, time to move with the flow. Okay, so the way that this works is that you're gonna be clicking on the smiley face at the bottom left of your screen, which is this one. And as you can see here already, that you have a lot of options for Animoji. And for me, I'm gonna try on like, you know, the boy version. How about yes to that? So once you click on it, it's gonna show you this one, and you're gonna be like seeing your face as a boy, be like Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth. But yeah guys, as you can see here, that it works really good, really well. I like it, and you could even record your TikTok here if you'd like, and stuff like that. The only thing about this one though is that you couldn't stick your tongue out. If you guys don't know, in Animoji for iPhone X and above, if you stick out your tongue, it's gonna stick its tongue out. But for this one, if you stick your tongue out, like there's nothing. Like, where my tongue though? But anyways guys, this is like the closest that you could do for Android if you don't have the Samsung S9 or anything like that. And now let's try on the woman version. So where's the woman at? Hello woman, how are you? I'm good. As you can see, yeah, you actually have a lot of options here, so just play around with them, pick any character that you want. If you want like some headphones on your head, you can put some headphones on your head, and that's pretty much it. By the way guys, if you're gonna make your very own Animoji just like that, make sure that your phone in a very bright place, either a light like this or go to a sunny place, that works too. And also, if you're gonna make your very own Animoji thingy-majiggy, then be sure to put in the hashtag SkySpam so I could watch them and maybe like some of you guys' posts as well. But anyways guys, that is pretty much how you could do the Animoji thingy-majiggy for both iOS and Android users. So I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know that in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at LifeWithErick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye bye right now.